Hi, my name is Daniel Pohl. I'm a research scientist at Intel. Today it's the Research at Intel Day 2010. We show a very exciting demo that has been developed at the IVCI in Saarland, Germany in cooperation with the Saarland University. It's called XML 3D, and the goal is to enable 3D content, interactive movement, etc. in it on the web. And we have here a demo. Let's say you want to learn more about Venice. You go to your favorite web search engine, you look for Venice. You might land in Wikipedia. You can read a lot of text, see some images of it that are very nice, details from buildings like here. But what if you want more detail, if you want to walk around in these buildings? What we did here is an example where we took a model of this building and enabled for the user that he can interactively walk around with it. XML 3D describes the geometry, describes how the textures interact with the geometry, it describes the light sources, and a lot of interaction that you can do between your browser and the XML 3D defined models. One of the interactions you can do in XML 3D is directly connected to the browser, to JavaScript events, for example mouse over. Like in this case we marked this arc on this building. If we click on it now, we will start, for example, an animation path, so you could imagine different things happening. The way XML 3D is currently rendered is using a ray tracer, which we implemented for that reason. You could also imagine having different renderer interfaces, like using WebGL, which comes with HTML5, and then have a rasterized version of the same scene. So in order to use XML 3D, it's good if you have some experience in writing web applications like websites, HTML, and especially XML, as this is an extension to it. It's pretty simple in general. It's a human-readable form. Let's say you want to define positions of a triangle. You have tag, position, enter the coordinates, close the tag again. So it's pretty easy to do these things. In order to make accurate shading, we're supporting a variety of languages, going from HLSL, which is known from DirectX, over to the RenderMan language, shading language, which mostly is used in the movie industry and in professional rendering markets. Right now this demonstration is running on a beta version of Mozilla Firefox. We also have implementation for the WebKit browser. So after working on this for a while, we decided to release it at end of July this year at the Web3D conference to make this shading language and scripting language, the XML 3D geometry language, available to the user so everybody can play around with it, experiment with it, and create cool stuff.